Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding resistance and impedance in electrical circuit. So let's start the video without wasting much time. So first of all, let's talk about what is resistance. So simply resistance is the opposition that is offered to the flow of electric current in any circuit due to collision of electrons with atoms. And resistance can be seen in both AC as well as in DC circuit. So resistance is independent of frequency, and here in case of resistance the energy dissipates as heat, that is called as a power loss, and its unit is in ohms. But in case of impedance, it is defined as the total opposition offered to the flow of AC current including resistance and the reactance. So here impedance is normally seen in AC circuits only, and it varies with the frequency because reactance changes with the frequency. Here energy dissipated as well as stored and released, because resistance dissipates the energy and reactance releases and stores the energy, and its unit is also considered in ohms.